Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by recording coordinates at the Overworld Portal Center. Write down X, Y, Z without rounding. Next, divide the Overworld X and Z by 8 to compute the Nether target X and Z. This gives the approximate arrival point in the Nether. Once done, build a basic obsidian frame at those Nether coordinates close to the calculated spot and light it. Then enter the Overworld portal to verify the link and confirm what the game chooses as the target location. Once in the Nether, you need to refine placement so the portals will link reliably. Search around the computed coordinates. The game will search roughly 128 blocks horizontally and a short vertical range for an existing portal. If it finds none, your new portal must be close to the computed point. Make sure the frame is oriented similarly to the Overworld portal so the game recognizes direction. If terrain or lava blocks placement, move vertically and build a secure platform before lighting the portal to test connectivity. To finish, test travel both ways and confirm you arrive at the intended portal centers. If links are wrong, remove competing portals near the calculated spots in either dimension and rebuild at the exact scaled coordinates. This forces the game's portal search to choose your portal. If problems persist, nudge the new portal up to 16 blocks closer or farther and relight to change search preference. One key troubleshooting tip: delete any accidental nearby portals. Clearing competition almost always resolves mislinking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.